What's up, everybody? Big Texas Break here, doing a case break, full case, PC case, however you want to call it, personal case for RIDEOUT. RIDEOUT got a swinging tonight, man, swinging. He said he's going to do case 2. All right, man. 1, 2, 2. All right, brother. It's you, homie. Good luck, man. Everybody tell him good luck, man. Tell him good luck, man. Write it, even if you just type it. Type it in there. I'll tell him you said it. Good luck coming from over here, coming from over there. All right, here we go, brother. Good luck, homie. You want the full view or you want this view, man? Oh, BK, do it your way, dog. The full view or... All right. Keep it right here, man. Right here, right? Is that what we're doing? Right there. Alright. Alright. How do we do this? I want to see which ones. 1 through 6. Box number 3 first. That's the one I was reaching for. First hit. 21 of 25. 959. I think you can resub this. Derek Carr. What do you think? This is number to 25. 21 to 25. Derek Carr. Decent start, brother. Decent start. And of course, the Rowe card. I think you can get that bump, dude. Dude, one of my D-hops had a more questionable other than that, and I got box number 1. Good luck, brother. Come on, man. Oh! 9, 5, 10, 8 of 25. Kevin Durant. 8 of 25. KD. That's nice, bro. I didn't tell you, this is the nice part. You've got 2 of these now, dude. You've got dupes. Five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, man. PSA DNA, of course, certified. Larry Bird, 25 of 25. 0708 black. Larry Bird, 25 of 25. Nice no number. Larry Bird, man. Yeah, no doubt. Celtics logo right there. Surprisingly enough, that's going to be one of your lower ones, man. 6, box number 6. Another one. What? Magic Johnson, 19 of 32. Magic Johnson, 19 of 32. Lakers uni. SP Game Used. SP Game Used. This is from SP Game Used. Magic Johnson. 4. 4 was Rowe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. You got this first. Sorry to give you no call. Oh damn, dude! Dude, that's a soft corner on there, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you your refund, man. Okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and get your refund on that box, and I'll just refund you on that one. Cool? Sorry, man. I didn't mean to. Bryce Harper, 9/5/10, 13 Bowman Chrome. Fit the bill autographs. That's nice right there. Fit the bill, Bryce Harper, 9/5/10. 2 of 25. 2 of 25. You ain't gotta chase it no more. Oh, hold on. No. Nope. I'm gonna keep going until I roll it. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. 2. Box 2 now. Box 2. Don't make me look bad in front of my friends, okay? How many times I told you, act right. Here we go. Son. Nice, son. Oh. Another one, dude. 9 of 25. Nolan Ryan Orange. Nolan Ryan Orange on card. Nolan Ryan. Nice. 9 of 25. Nice. Right out.